Are you tired of being bamboozled by bogus engine oil myths? Does the mere mention of 5W30 make your head spin? Well, grab your dipstick and get ready to rev your engine, because we're about to reveal the 6 engine oil myths that have fooled so many. Hey there, motorheads! If you're like most car enthusiasts, you've probably heard about your fair share of engine oil myths. From the old wives' tale about needing to change your oil every 3,000 miles to the one about using thicker oil for better performance, these myths can be as persistent as a tailgating driver on the freeway. But fear not, because in this video from Car Computer Exchange, we're going to separate fact from fiction and bust these engine oil myths wide open. So buckle up, hit the gas, and let's dive into the oily world of engine oil myths. Myth number 1. You need to change your oil every 3,000 miles. The age-old oil change debate. Myth number 1 on the chopping block: the notion that you need to swap out your engine oil every 3,000 miles like clockwork. I'm sorry to break it to you, but that's a load of baloney. Now, don't feel bad if you've been dutifully adhering to this falsehood. It's a popular misconception that's been perpetuated by oil companies and quick lube shops for decades. After all, more frequent oil changes means more sales and more revenue, right? But here's the truth. Modern engines and oils are way more advanced than they used to be. Thanks to improvements in engine design, materials, and lubricants, most vehicles can go much longer between oil changes without any adverse effects. In fact, many automakers now recommend oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles or more. Of course, this doesn't mean you can just forget about your oil altogether. You still need to monitor your oil level and quality regularly to ensure your engine stays well lubricated and protected. Plus, certain driving conditions and habits can affect how often you should change your oil. So, how often should your oil actually be changed? It really depends. Could your oil actually be changed? It really depends. Follow the manufacturer's suggested oil change intervals for your vehicle, which can be found in your owner's manual or online. For assistance in determining the ideal schedule for your particular vehicle and driving style, you can also speak with a reputable mechanic or oil expert. In short, don't fall for the 3,000-mile oil change myth. Save yourself some time and money and let your engine's technology work for you. Just remember to stay on top of your oil maintenance, and your ride will thank you for it. Myth number 2. Synthetic oil is always better than conventional oil. Picture this. You're standing in front of the motor oil section at your local auto parts store, and you're faced with a dilemma: synthetic or conventional. You've probably heard that synthetic oil is the bee's knees when it comes to engine lubrication. But is it always the best choice? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the benefits of synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is designed to provide better performance and protection than conventional oil. It's made from chemical compounds that are engineered to have a consistent molecular structure, which means it can withstand extreme temperatures and pressures without breaking down. Synthetic oil also has better flow properties than conventional oil, which means it can circulate through your engine more efficiently. This can lead to better fuel economy and longer engine life. However, there are situations in which conventional oil might be a better choice. For example, if you have an older vehicle with high mileage, conventional oil might be a better option because it's less expensive and provides adequate protection. Additionally, if you're driving in mild temperatures and not pushing your engine to the limit, conventional oil may be perfectly suitable. It's also worth noting that not all synthetic oils are created equal. There are different types of synthetic oils, each with their own specific properties and benefits. Some synthetic oils are designed for high-performance engines, while others are designed for maximum fuel efficiency. So, to sum it up, while synthetic oils does have some benefits over conventional oil, it's not always the best choice. It really depends on your vehicle, your driving habits, and your personal preferences. As with most things in life, there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to oil choices. Myth number 3. Thicker oil is better for high-mileage engines. Alright, my fellow gearheads, let's talk about a myth that's been circulating around the engine oil world for ages. Thicker oil is better for high mileage engines. Well, I hate to break it to you, but this myth is as false as a toupee in a hurricane. You see, the thickness or viscosity of your engine oil has nothing to do with the mileage of your vehicle. In fact, using oil that's too thick can actually cause more harm than good. Thicker oil takes longer to circulate through your engine, leading to poor lubrication and startup and potential damage to your engine parts. And no one wants to deal with expensive engine repairs, am I right? So, what viscosity is advised for engines with high mileage? Well, it all depends on the kind of car you drive and the road conditions. However, as a general rule of thumb, it's best to stick with the viscosity advised by the manufacturer of your vehicle. They have tested the oil to make sure it offers the best protection for your engine and are intimately familiar with your vehicle. Now, for those of you driving high mileage vehicles, you may want to consider using an oil specifically designed for these engines. These oils typically have additives that help reduce engine wear and improve performance in older engines. And remember, regardless of the mileage on your vehicle, always follow your vehicle's manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule to keep your engine running smoothly. So there you have it, folks. Thicker oil may sound like a good idea, but when it comes to your engine's health, stick with the recommended viscosity and you'll be in the clear. Alright, my fellow oil aficionados, how are we feeling so far? Are you still reeling from the shock of debunked engine oil myths, or are you feeling like a well-oiled machine ready to hit the road? Well, don't let your gears grind to a halt just yet, because we still have a few more myths to bust. So grab a cup of oil and settle in, because we're about to rev things up again. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Myth number 4. You can't switch between conventional and synthetic oil. Are you afraid of commitment? Do you avoid making big decisions? Well, fear not, because switching between conventional and synthetic engine oils is not as daunting as it seems. Contrary to popular belief, switching between conventional and synthetic oil is completely doable. In fact, it can even be beneficial for your engine. The process of switching oils is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to make sure that the new oil is compatible with your engine. Most synthetic oils are formulated to work with both conventional and synthetic oils, but it's always best to check the label or consult with a professional to be safe. Once you've confirmed the compatibility, simply drain the old oil and replace it with a new one. It's that easy. However, there are a few precautions to keep in mind. First, don't mix synthetic and conventional oils. While it's okay to switch between the two, it's not okay to mix them. Mixing oils can lead to reduced engine performance and even damage in the long run. So make sure to fully drain the old oil before adding the new one. Second, keep an eye on your oil level and quality after the switch. It's not uncommon for synthetic oils to clean out debris and buildup left behind by conventional oils, which can lead to clogging of the oil filter. So check your oil level and quality regularly to make sure everything is running smoothly. In summary, switching between conventional and synthetic oils is not a myth but a reality. With a little bit of research and caution, you can make the switch and reap the benefits of both types of oil. Don't be afraid to take the plunge and give your engine the love it deserves. Myth number 5. More expensive oil is always better. That old saw about how more money always equals better doesn't hold water when it comes to engine oil. While premium oils may have flashy advertising campaigns and claims of superior performance, you'll be throwing away your money if they don't meet your vehicle's requirements. The truth is, your car's manufacturer knows best when it comes to the type of oil that will keep your engine running smoothly. They've done all the research and testing to determine the oil viscosity, additives, and other factors that will work best with your specific make and model. So, while it may be tempting to splurge on a high-end oil, it's important to choose the right one for your car based on its needs. This means checking your owner's manual or consulting with a trusted mechanic to determine the recommended oil type, viscosity, and change intervals. Ignoring your car's oil specifications could lead to engine damage, reduced fuel efficiency, and other costly repairs down the road. And let's face it, nobody wants to be stuck with a hefty repair bill just because they chose the wrong oil. Don't let flashy advertising and exorbitant prices sway your decision. Instead, use an oil that is approved by your car's manufacturer and put that money toward a more enjoyable activity like a vacation or a nice meal out. Your car and bank account will be grateful. Myth number 6. You can use any type of oil additive. The age-old additive myth. How refreshing. It's an old story told by people who mean well but think that putting something in their engine oil will make it run better. However, the reality is that putting in the wrong oil additive can cause more problems than it solves. Additives for motor oil are formulated to improve the effectiveness of the oil. They can accomplish things like increase mileage per gallon, lessen engine wear, and keep oil fresh for longer. The incorrect addition, however, might lead to disastrous consequences. For example, if you add an oil additive that's designed to increase the viscosity of your oil, it can actually make it harder for your engine to circulate the oil properly. This can lead to increased engine wear, decreased fuel efficiency, and even engine failure. Yikes! And that's not the only potential risk. Some oil additives can react negatively with your engine oil, causing sludge buildup or other blockages that can seriously impact your engine's performance. So, while it may be tempting to add any old oil additive to your engine, it's important to do your own research and choose one that's specifically designed to work with your engine oil. In the end, it's all about making informed decisions when it comes to your engine oil. Don't let the additive myth fool you into thinking that any oil additive will do the trick. Do your homework, choose the right additive for your engine, and enjoy the benefits of a smoothly running car. And there you have it, folks. We've busted 6 common engine oil myths that have been holding back car enthusiasts for too long. To recap, we debunked the myth that you should change your oil every 3,000 miles. Synthetic oil causes engine leaks. Thicker oil is always better. You can't switch between different types of oil. Engine oil is just for lubrication. And you can use any type of oil additive. But we can't keep this knowledge to ourselves now, can we? So, if you found this video helpful, informative, or just plain entertaining, make sure to share it with your fellow car lovers. Let's put an end to these engine oil myths once and for all. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest content here in Car Computer Exchange. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.